Hey there, welcome to my review of Anonymous AI, a brand new product launch on the Warrior Plus platform. If you're looking to learn a strategy on how to use AI to make money anonymously without revealing your name, face, or voice, then you're in the right place. In this review, I'll dive into what the strategy is and how it works. My name is Nexa. So let's jump right in. Welcome to my review of Anonymous AI, a new product release. This strategy teaches you how to leverage AI to make money while staying completely anonymous in your marketing efforts. Unlike traditional methods, you won't need to reveal your identity, face, or voice. Anonymous AI focuses on setting up a TikTok shop, a fresh monetization avenue. You can sell physical products or become an affiliate marketer, all while concealing your identity. The twist? It integrates AI-generated videos to drive traffic to your shop, showcasing products without revealing yourself. The training covers everything from setting up your shop to getting products listed and approved. It even provides strategies to bypass TikTok's follower requirements. While the AI-generated videos are innovative, there's skepticism about their effectiveness compared to hands-on product demonstrations. Despite this, the approach offers a unique way to monetize TikTok, aligning with the platform's guidelines and minimizing the risk of bans. However, success may depend on finding the right balance between anonymity and effective marketing tactics. Overall, Anonymous AI introduces a refreshing strategy for online income generation. If you're intrigued by the concept of making money anonymously using AI, this might be worth exploring. All right, folks, that wraps up my review of Anonymous AI. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Over my years in internet marketing, I've focused on traffic generation. If you're ready to dive into a complete done-for-you system for generating realistic and consistent commissions, click the link in the video description below for my #1 recommended online system. It's a fantastic way to get started quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.